Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyoto-kan. I'm Ryusei. Today I'll share the recipe of okra. Okra no Agedashi. This is okra in hiragana. Now is the best season of okra. Sticky okra and chewy shrimp are very delicious, and the green and red color of the dish are so beautiful. I hope you enjoy a Japanese authentic dish at your home. Yes, let's make it. This is okra, which is grown in Kochi Prefecture. It's a main ingredient to today's dish. First, I cut off the stem and peel off the farm part. And make a cross cut to cook it evenly. Good. I prepared everything. Next, remove the stones. I put the salt over them, rub okra each other, and rub it with my fingers to remove the stones. Nice. It makes the texture of okra smooth. I add them to the boiling water and cook them for about 3 minutes until they become tender. Okay, I remove and transfer them to the cold water to keep the beautiful green color. And let them cool well. Once the okra has cooled, I squeeze out the water. It is important to remove the water carefully. Beautiful. Then I mince the okra. The tip of mincing the okra is to cut them as finely as possible first. Chop them well. I support the tip of the knife and move the right hand up and down. Okay. Perfect. I add them to the bowl. Okra has prepared. Please give a moment. My goal is to reach 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. You can know a lot of Japanese food recipes and culture. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Next, I'll prepare the shrimps. At first, I devein. Deveining makes the finish beautiful, and if we omit it, the texture will be gritty. Good. Then I boil them for about 3 minutes. If the shrimp is overcooked, the texture becomes tough, so we need to boil them carefully. Once the shrimp becomes springy, transfer them to the cold water and let them cool. Then I remove the shell. Nice. Cut the shrimp into pieces. Good. Let's make the patties. Add the shrimp to the bowl, a pinch of salt, soy sauce, and potato starch. You can use cornstarch instead of it. I mix them well. If you like shrimp, you can add more. Okay, the patties are ready. Next, I'll make the sauce. This is 180 grams of dashi, 20 grams of mirin, 20 grams of thick soy sauce, koikuchi. I heat it. Once the sauce boils, turn down the heat and thicken the sauce with potato starch with water. The tip is to add it gradually to make the sauce smooth texture. I stir it to make the sauce consistency. Okay, the sauce is ready. Then divide the patties into portions. I take it with a spoon and place it on the potato starch. It's good to make a large portion, but it takes a time to heat up. I put the potato starch to my hands and shape it into the bowl. Nice. I do this work just before deep frying. Okay. The temperature of the oil is 160 degrees. I add them to the oil and deep fry them for 60 minutes over medium heat until they are slightly browned and crispy. I turn them over. Nice. I check it. The texture becomes firm and they are slightly browned. Okay, I remove them. Good. Beautiful. I prepare the toppings. Chop the green onion. The tip is to move the knife back and forth widely and smoothly. Good. Then ginger, grated. Okay, finally Bonito flakes. Let's arrange them on the plate. Nice. Then pour the sauce. Lovely. Put grated ginger, Bonito flakes, and chopped green onion. Perfect. Okura no Agedashi is done. This rich sauce goes well with okra and shrimp. The texture is tender. I love these toppings so much. いただきます。Okra melts in my mouth, and the texture of shrimp is amazing. It's very delicious. Thank you! Did you enjoy? Today I introduced a Japanese authentic dish, Okura no Agedashi. This dish is very beautiful and delicious. Actually, it takes time to make it, but we can make it with a few ingredients. I hope you enjoy a Japanese authentic dish at your home. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.